All right, so I printed. You can see here. I tried to print these for the rotary table, and I wanted to print them at 45 degree angle, because you can avoid having support inside if you're tilting it a little bit, because I think the threshold is something around 68 degrees or 62, I can't remember. You can see it here. Oh, these are the brackets. Yeah, you can see, and this worked really good. There's some slight, this is just drawn in on the nominal, is that the word? I think it is, measurement. So 20 by 20 exactly. So these are a little bit undersized on one of the angles. I think it's because it's tilted, so I'll just scale it up a few percent for the next one. I'll glue them together when I have to assemble this. Yeah, it's a little bit tight. This one broke when I tried to put it on here. So, and I had a little. I tried to. I almost got done with the base plate, but I ran out of carbon fiber filament, so I had to print a little insert in blue PETG. So, and I had to print the centerpiece, but that that didn't look so good. So, but whatever, I think I'll use it. I might just flip it around. So yeah, but I'll be adjusting this and try to print some more with it angled and just increase the size by some percent. Yes. So yeah, I think this will work and be a pretty good, a good looking part. I mean, the breakout of that support was it wasn't bad surface finish on the 3D printed part. I don't know about the structural integrity of the part when it's 45 degrees, but it doesn't need to hold much. Oh, and Merry Christmas, everyone! I hope you had a good Christmas yesterday and got your stomach full.